Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihanascuisines Cuisines. Today we are making tahini chicken. This chicken turns out super moist, it's super easy, it's super quick, and you can serve it with whatever you like. So if you want to learn how to do this, let's go ahead and review all the ingredients. But before we do that, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. Also, don't forget to hit the bell so that you get a notification every time a new video has been uploaded. Let's get started. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw all the ingredients in and I'll tell you the measurements. So here we have one whole chicken that I have cut clean, and I put slits on the breast and the leg quarter part. But this is a whole chicken, so it's got different pieces. So not all of them I put slits, just the ones that are bigger to cook. Oven is preheating at 425 degrees. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our marinade. This is a quick chicken dish because for me, today has been really super busy and I still have to cook. So I thought, okay, let me make the simplest thing that I can, because I have some pita bread, homemade pita bread in the oven. So I am gonna use the pita bread to go with this. If you want, I will put up a card or a link up on the left-hand side or right-hand side of your screen, left-hand side of my screen, of the pita bread. You can make naan. You can serve it with anything you want. I've got a loaded mashed potatoes recipe, hash browns, whatever you like. So I am done about 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Now I love using Greek yogurt in this recipe. Usually I'll say that any yogurt is fine, but this recipe, the yogurt, the thick yogurt just works really well. All right, so we're just gonna mix this into the yogurt. We're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger and garlic. Then I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of sambal, which is my chili garlic sauce. Now, if you don't get this, use any sauce you like. It doesn't have to be this one. Now we're gonna do some mayonnaise. Now, you don't have to add mayonnaise if you don't want to, but the taste of the chicken comes out so good. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. The one I'm using is the avocado, but you can use any mayonnaise that you like. We're going to do 4 tablespoons of tahini paste. Now, if you don't, I know that the situation we are in right now, you might not have all the ingredients. And if you don't have tahini, I mean, it is tahini chicken. It's okay. Without the tahini, also the chicken comes out really good. But if you have some sesame seeds, soak those and blend those, because that's the closest you're gonna get to the tahini. And I'm just gonna do about 4 tablespoons in here. I really want that tahini taste to come through. Okay, here goes the tahini. Gonna mix everything really well. Okay. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of dried mint. Now, you can use fresh mint if you like. I couldn't get any fresh mint in today, so I'm just going to go with the dried. That's the oven letting me know that it's preheated. We're going to do about 1 teaspoon of salt. And you will be able to actually taste this marinade before you put your chicken in. Got 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of cumin powder, tablespoon of coriander powder, and a tablespoon of lemon pepper. If you want to make this even more spicy, you can add whatever hot sauce you like in there, or you can even add cayenne in there if you like. You can even blend up chilies if you like. This time, I'm quickly going to do a taste test. And I honestly thought we were gonna need lemon pepper in there, but it's perfect, absolutely perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I have my chicken here. I'm gonna add my marinade in here. I am going to reserve just a little bit of the marinade. You don't have to. I'm going to do it just because my kids love to have this as even a dipping sauce. So I'm just gonna save some of it because they absolutely love this. Okay, so let's go ahead and mix this first and see if we need any more in there, but I don't think we will. Okay, I think we have got it. It's perfect. So Sumaya tried the marinade and she's telling me more lemon, more lemon. What I'm gonna do is after this is cooked, we're gonna splash it with the lemon. So that's why I'm not gonna add even more lemon in there right now. All right, this is all mixed. You want to marinate this for at least 25 to 30 minutes if you can, overnight, and this chicken is gonna melt in your mouth. So it's up to you. I'm gonna wait about 30 minutes and then I'm gonna pop this in the oven. When we come back, this chicken is gonna be all cooked and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I want you guys to take a look at this. So this went 425 degrees for 30 minutes and I kept a very close eye on it. At 15 minutes, you wanna turn it. And then, because everyone's ovens are different, you just wanna make sure. What I did was the last 2 minutes, I put it on high broil in my oven and I just stood there just to see, to get it these black char marks on them. And at this point, I'm super happy with the color. So you just have to take a look at the color. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna serve this on the dish and then we're gonna do a taste test. So I just have that lemon that we were gonna just splash on top. Just gonna do that, just as much as you like. Like I said, I think you guys know that we eat very tart. All right, next, the sauce that we had reserved, just took a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it right on top of the chicken like this. There you go. And some for mine, all right. Now, let's go ahead and cut this and get into it. It's so soft, like it's just so soft and it's crispy on the, see, it's just cutting, it's just breaking. This is amazing. I'll get some to Samaya here. And we'll wait for her. She's laughing. It's really, really good. If you wanted to, you can even sprinkle it with some sesame seeds. I just kind of want to make it look very, very simple. And it's just delicious. So if you're gonna make this, you know the drill. Go ahead and hashtag it Raihanascuisines. I'd love to see pictures. All the information of my links for the page and Instagram, Facebook, everything's in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihanascuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. Stay safe.
Everyone.
Stay blazed. Okay. I'm going to